Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix messages unavailable on Instagram. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So first of all, you guys have to just simply open up your Instagram application and simply go to that specific message or chat. So if you don't have a specific message or chat right now, just like me, you have to go to the top right corner of three horizontal lines and just simply scroll down. So after scrolling down, you will be able to find the option which is a help. Just simply go to the help center and you have to just simply go to report a problem. So here you have to just simply go to report a problem, or you have to just simply go back and shake phone. So you have to shake your phone and this kind of interface will be appeared. You have to simply select the option which is report or abuse spam should not be submitted here. So you have to tap on it and the Instagram help center will be appeared to you. What you have to do is just simply write a report to Instagram, and you have to just simply Instagram team will be reach out to you and will sort your issue. So if your issue is still not resolved, then you have to simply try multiple kind of solutions. So first solution is you have to just simply go back and simply go to the settings, and if you are in the settings, you have to just simply search for VPN. So you have to make sure that if your VPN is enabled, you have to disable this. So after disabling this, you will be able to sort out this issue. If your issue is still not resolved, the last option is you have to go to settings. So in the settings, you have to go to the apps. So here in the apps, you have to just simply search for Instagram. So in the apps, you have to go to this the manage apps. So here you have to simply search for Instagram, and you have to simply clear the data of your Instagram. So you have to go down and simply go to app permissions. Just simply go back, and here you have to just simply go to the top right corner of three dots and simply go to the storage section. So here in the storage section, simply tap on clear cache data. So you have to simply tap on clear data and simple tap on clear cache. So after tapping on clear cache, you have to reopen your Instagram application and your issue will be resolved. If your issue is still not resolved, the last option is you have to go to your Instagram, your Play Store, and simply go to search for Instagram. So after searching for Instagram, you have to check out that if there is any update available, you have to update your Instagram application. So after updating your Instagram application, your issue will be resolved in this way. So I have tell you the multiple solutions. You can try it and your issue will be resolved in this way. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.